Today, we will be unboxing a Honeywell IntelliDoX and performing a bump test on it. First, open the box of the Honeywell IntelliDoX. After a careful inspection, the IntelliDoX is almost perfect and of good quality. Here are the accessories, with none missing. Now let's start the fast bump test. Power it on. And insert the micro XL device into the smart docking station. LCD changes to gray and detector identification is displayed. After the detector is recognized, the LCD changes to yellow and progress messages are displayed. Fast bump and event log transfer begin automatically. Then, feed in the combustible gas. When the combustible gas is recognized, the screen turns yellow and bump test passed is displayed. Then the LCD changes to green, which means the bump test is successful. IntelliDoX is reliable and efficient. Thank you for watching.